Good day everyone. Well, today in this video, I'll tell you the power of SFC scan, how exactly it repairs the computer, what are the benefits to do the SFC scan, is it essential for everyone, if is anyone can do it or not, all the things will be cleared. So what exactly it does, it checks for the corrupted system. SFC scan uses your Windows installation for corrupted or modified system file, replaces them with healthy ones from the Windows cache or installation media. It doesn't make any changes in your data, it only fixes your computer. You can simply click on the search icon, type CMD, and then run as administrator, and then click on yes. So it also repairs the damaged system files. So if there is something wrong in the computer, it SFC scan can repair or replace damaged system files, which can help resolve issues like Windows crashes, errors, or any malfunctioning features. Now it also verifies the file integrity. SFC checks the integrity of the system files, ensuring they match the expected versions and hashes, helping detect tampering or corruption. You can type SFC space / scan now. I'll maximize it so that you can type it, SFC space scan now. It also helps troubleshoot issues like SFC scan can aid in diagnosing or fixing issues caused by corrupted system files, making it a valuable tool for Windows troubleshooting. So if your Windows updates is not working, if your browser is not working fine, you can run the SFC scan. If your computer is running slow, then also you can run the SFC scan. So it also automatically repairs corrupted files as I said, and it makes a convenient and time-saving tool. You don't have to do anything. You just have to run this command. After typing it, just hit enter and it will begin the system scan for you. And whatever the essential is there, regular SFC scan, it maintains the stability, performance, and ensuring the system file are intact and functioning correctly. If you find this tutorial helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.